Why do focal lengths affect photo distortion in Lightroom? Have you ever taken a photo and noticed that straight lines appear to curve? This can often be traced back to the focal length of your lens. So, why do focal lengths affect photo distortion in Adobe Lightroom? Let's break it down. Different focal lengths create various types of distortion in images. When you use a wide-angle lens, which has a shorter focal length, you may see barrel distortion. This is where straight lines bow outward, making objects appear wider than they are. On the other hand, longer focal lengths can lead to pincushion distortion, where lines bend inward. This means that as you zoom in or out, the distortion can change continuously, especially with zoom lenses. Adobe Lightroom is equipped with lens correction profiles designed to tackle these distortions. These profiles apply specific adjustments based on the lens model and the focal length used when capturing the image. For zoom lenses, Lightroom includes multiple sets of correction values that correspond to different focal lengths, focus distances, and apertures. This means that as you change the focal length, Lightroom can apply the right distortion correction automatically. When you enable Profile Corrections in the Lens Corrections panel of Lightroom, the software reads the metadata of your image. It identifies the lens and focal length used, then applies the correct adjustment curve to minimize distortion. This feature is particularly helpful for wide-angle shots, where distortion is often more noticeable. For zoom lenses, Lightroom's profiles are advanced enough to adjust distortion correction dynamically based on the focal length. This ensures that your images maintain straight lines and natural proportions, improving overall quality. However, if Lightroom does not have the exact profile for your lens or focal length, the correction may not be as precise. In such cases, you might need to make manual adjustments. In the Lens Corrections panel, you can switch to the Manual tab to fine-tune distortion correction. Here, you can adjust sliders to fix any remaining distortion or compensate when automatic profiles fall short. Understanding how focal length influences distortion and how Lightroom's lens profiles function can help you correct these issues effectively. This knowledge allows you to produce images that look polished and professional, free from unwanted distortions.